If you never used Field Agent before, I'm going to show you exactly how to do a real gig step by step while I do one right now. This one is at Family Dollar, and I wanted to make a video about this one because it had a little bit of everything from regular shelves to doing fridge doors, and I want you guys to know how to do the fridge doors because it could be super annoying. So this one was for beverages, waters, sports drinks, energy drinks, stuff like that. And at Family Dollar, it was a lot more easy than at Walmart or Sam's Club or BJ's, simply because it's a smaller format store and everything was a lot closer together. So like the water bottles wasn't like a whole warehouse of water bottles. It was just a couple of shelves. So now I'm discreetly walking through the aisle. For some reason, Family Dollar was like the store that I got noticed the most at, and I've been asked to leave at least one Family Dollar. So I'm trying to be discreet. So the first question is for the water bottles. So there was this stack over here. You need to take a picture of each 4-foot section that contains what they want. So I'm taking these really quick pictures basically while I'm still walking, still moving. I'm not stopping for any of these pictures. Don't want to stand out and don't want to take too much time because this is not the highest paying gig in the world. And we want to be done in less than 5 minutes to actually almost make it worth it. So the next is the displays. So they had like these stacks of water bottles. So I answered yes for the displays. So now we're moving right along to the next question. I was online for DoorDash and Uber Eats, so if a good order comes through, I'm going to accept it because this isn't going to take that much longer, and I could accept it and go to the next one. So now here are the fridge door questions. So if you are taking pictures of something inside a fridge, you have to open the door. Now, most of them will have like a lock on them. You'll pull them all the way open and they'll stay open. Some of them will not, so you could just use your foot, but make sure you open the door because if you don't open the door and there's a glare from the fridge, which there most likely will be, then your photos will get denied. Also, it says take a picture of each 4-foot section. Even though the doors were like 2.5 feet, you could do each door. You don't have to do each 4-foot section. That was something that really confused me. So just open each doors. Here it was easy because it was a couple of pictures, but sometimes at the supermarkets, there'll be a gig for like the ice cream and you'll have to open like 100 doors and it's really annoying. So just keep that in mind. That is something that they're going to want you to do. So now the last question threw me off because they were asking for something that actually wasn't there. Now, some of the questions will say if they don't have this certain product, skip to the next one, don't take a picture. But some of them will just say, take a picture of the 4-foot section, and it won't give you an option for anything else. So this is what I thought there was a glitch. I thought my job would get denied. But if this ever happens and you have to take a picture, just take a picture of something else and make sure you write in the notes that the product wasn't there. I looked for it, so I took a picture of this instead. So you can see, even though that this was only for $3, I was out doing deliveries, I was out doing Uber Eats and DoorDash, and I literally was passing right by this Family Dollar. So a lot of people comment on my videos that it's not worth it if you're only making $3 or blah, blah, blah. But if you could do it in a couple of minutes, then it could actually be worth it. And if you want to sign up for Field Agent, check out the link down below.